they've been absolutely hammering our servers. And so we've been encouraging them to sign up for and use our enterprise product so we can give them a feed. It's a lot easier on our servers. Also, we can add on some additional services there to make it easier for them. So we're trying to work with these companies to basically say, you're using Wikipedia, like you should probably chip in and pay for your fair share of the cost that you're putting on us.